Well, good Saturday afternoon, friends, and today is a beautiful day. We have had ridiculously summer weather the last few days, but then I just discovered it's going to go down to the 40s next week. But it is April and it is upstate New York, so that's not a surprise. Today I wanted to show you some of my Easter spreads, and now this also is just a very simple waterfall that I made that you just flip up yourself. This was a day that we went to our son and daughter-in-law's house, and our son showed Bethany, my daughter, his drum set. And so she was having fun with the drums. And then over here we're at my daughter Rebecca's house on Good Friday. We celebrated Easter on Good Friday, and Bethany was making eggs, playing with the grandkids. And then I got one Easter card, so I put that in there. And then we gave the kids their Easter baskets, and over here we did a cute little Easter egg hunt. This was their first Easter egg hunt of their lives. It was so much fun, and boy did they keep us on our toes. This one just is all over the place right now. He's only been walking a couple of months, so he wasn't so fast. He wasn't as fast, but he sure did have fun looking for the eggs. And then she was carrying his basket to him. They're so cute. And then in this tag or envelope, I made a tag with my Posca paint pens. I've been messing around with them, trying to figure out my own style and how to use them. And then I just wrote about Easter on the back. There, my daughter is expecting her baby any day now, and that's exciting. And so I thought this was a cute page for Easter. I just left these pages alone. And then over here, we got our grandson this book for Easter, and my son was reading it to him. Here's me and my daughter. I did this with my Posca paint pens, and then I made this flower, and I want to cover the back up of this that I hated. This was like pastels, oil pastels, and I didn't like how that came out. I prefer the pens. But I'm trying everything. I like to dabble in everything and just figure out what I like and what is my style. But I want to cover this up with some paper and round the corners and use it in this pocket. And I also was going to show you guys, I made these two tags. And this was inspired by Shada Campbell. She has a channel on YouTube. She mostly does bullet journaling, but she's a very accomplished artist. And so I'm going to get the papers that I want to put on here, and we'll do that, and then we'll put it in the pocket. I found this yellow pad just laying around yesterday in a pile of old stuff I had, so I'm going to just glue that on here. I think I'll glue it at the top. I'll just glue it on like that, and then I'll cut it out, and then we'll round the corners. And I'm just going to try using this glue, Fabri-Tac. How's everybody doing? Did you have a nice Easter? How's your weather been? More importantly, has it been summery or springy? My husband is out getting our water fountain waterfall things set up. But we can't put the plants in yet because, like I said, it's supposed to get down into the 40s and maybe even the 30s at night. So we don't want to put any plants out. But I had lots of surprise strawberry plants coming up. So that's nice. And my blueberry bushes are doing well. And I just hope you guys are having a great spring so far. So let's cut this off. Gotta find my scissors. Actually, I think I'll try this. I bought this because I thought it was going to be so handy, but I don't love it. It's very difficult to keep the paper straight because it doesn't have a big thing here. I might get another. I like the size of it, though, for tags and journaling cards and stuff. So there we go. So that's that. That's what, oh no. Looks like I might want to put another layer on there. I think that would be okay. I think we'll try just using this glue this time. There we go. We've been trying to get to the dog park, and our dog needs to lose a little weight. And yeah, so that's what we've been trying to just get out and get some exercise. I think that's going to have to be good enough. It's wrinkly. See how wrinkly that is? Well, what you gonna do? Next time I will check to see, make sure it doesn't show through. And if it doesn't stick well, I can always sew it. So we got that. Yeah, it's all wrinkly. I don't like that, but I can still write on it, I guess. You live and you learn. So we'll do this. I could make it a big giant tag, but I think I'll just make it a journaling card. Let's see. Yeah, it's not cutting that paper very well. I'm gonna need my trusty, where are they? Little scissors. Okay. So that's it for that. I need to let it dry before I put it in the book. And I also wanted to show you guys, I found this also. Little vintage, I don't know how vintage it is, but it looks vintage. It's old looking. Index card spiral booky thing. And I decided I'm going to use it for little tiny collages. My goal was to do one a day, but you know, that hasn't happened. But I found the wrapping paper, a baby deer, is from the cover of this. Cut that out. Such cute little animals. And it says, "This was a peaceful dance, peace beyond understanding. I hope it's enough." I like to make little poems out of book page phrases and stuff. I was just trying out the stamps that I got at Dollar Tree the other day. And these are the ones I used on here. Where's the dragonfly? Oh no, that's not it. But I did get these at Dollar Tree. I remember what this is. Let's see. This is what it is. I got these at Michael's, and that's what I was trying out. This is just an old National Wildlife Federation stamp. This was the stamps from Dollar Tree. And this was one of those rub-on things from Dollar Tree. We have a lot of robins in our yard now. So I thought that was neat that I found a robin one. And yeah, that's it. That's all I've done so far, I think. So maybe we'll do one of these later. thanks so much. And I also am going to show you in another video my very first junk journal that I ever made. I made it in 2017. Summer 2017. This was my very first attempt at a junk journal, and I'll get into this one in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful spring. Bye-bye.